We have a robust metro network of 700 kilometers in 18 cities, and on this network during pre-COVID time around 8.5 million passengers were carried on daily basis. We have 900 kilometers of metro network under construction in 27 cities. The first modern metro system which was introduced in the country was between Delhi and Shadra when Delhi Metro started their first services on 25th December 2002. The technology used by DMRC is latest state of art which has been replicated in the subsequent networks. The signaling system used in Delhi Metro is CBTC based. This is called communication based train control system, where we are running train on automatic train operation mode and with a designed headway of 90 seconds. Soon we will be introducing unmanned train operation, which will improve the system reliability and operational flexibility. Another development which is taking place is regional rapid transit system. Erstwhile Planning Commission has cleared 3 priority corridors, which is between Delhi and Meerut, Delhi Panipat and Delhi Alwar. Out of these priority corridors, this Delhi Meerut corridor has been sanctioned in 2019 and presently the construction work is underway. The trains will be running at 160 kmph and the journey between Delhi and Meerut will be covered in less than an hour. The other 2 corridors between Delhi and Panipat and Delhi Alwar is under planning stage. We have indigenized most of the component used in metro application. As a result of this initiative, presently we have 4 manufacturing units in the country. One is at PML Bangalore, another is of Bombardier at Gujarat in Savli, and third setup is by Alstom in Shri City, Andhra Pradesh, and the fourth setup is Titagarh Firema in Kolkata. In 2017, we have issued metro policy which emphasizes on indigenization, and the policy framework enables cities and state to expand their metro network. For tier 2, tier 3 cities, we have issued a specification of Metro Light in 2019, which is suitable for a peak hour, peak direction traffic of 15,000, and recently we have issued a specification of Metro Neo, which is suitable for peak hour, peak direction traffic of 8,000. With all these initiatives, it will be possible to expand the metro network to 1600 km by 2024.